Fix headphones detected as speakers in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Connect to a different connection point. If you are using headphones that can be connected via USB, you should try using a different connection point. Fix 2. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Troubleshooters are excellent built-in tools that can fix issues for you automatically. Try running an audio troubleshooter. Fix 3. Set headphones as the default device. Fix 4. Update headphone drivers. Depending on your headphone type, you can update the device driver in different ways. First, we recommend using the Windows Update service, although this might not always work. Fix 5. Uninstall the most recent Windows update. Some users said that they started experiencing the issue right after updating Windows. If that's the case for you, please uninstall the most recent update and pause the update process until Microsoft sorts out the issue.